is my favorite event of the year that I do. It always has been, and largely because it's where so many people from all over the world come together in the heart to hang out, and we can all kind of take our well, for me, I can take some of my I don't exactly take my science hat off, but I can be a little more free in what I'm talking about, and I've always used this event to not always necessarily introduce, but to go deeper into the new science and its implications, what it really means, and this kind of an event, whether you're virtual or there in person, it really does create an amplification effect to really help pulse the field with more love, more compassion, and help raise which is our mission, right? To help raise the baseline of humanity, the consciousness of humanity. So it's an important event where we can come together and amplify each other and really make a significant impact on that.